Tired of low efficiency, high-cost manual cleaning for PV plants and factory rooftops, with high safety risks? Struggling with difficult O&M and surface damage on mountain PV stations and distributed rooftops? Introducing the CL Series drone cleaning system, compatible with DJI FC100, T100S, T100 and more. The efficient, safe and cost-effective solution for PV and rooftop cleaning, weighing less than 8 kilograms, excluding water tank. It features a 1/4 quick-release mount and PSDK connectivity for plug-and-play deployment. Fully compatible with DJI FC100, T100S, T100 and other industrial drones. No complex modification required, ready for operation in minutes, powered by a dual pump system with 10 to 15 MPa peak pressure and 2500 W total output. It effectively removes dust, bird droppings, grease, and stubborn stains from surfaces. With a wide DC voltage input of 3672 V, it delivers stable, reliable performance across compatible drone models. 3 nozzles with selectable angles of 0 degrees, 15 degrees/25 degrees, 40 degrees, spray swing electronically adjustable from 5 degrees to 65 degrees, and flow rate steplessly adjustable from 5 to 20 liters per minute. Parameters can be tailored to stain severity and surface material, suitable for PV panels, color steel rooftops and concrete roofs, full coverage without damaging the base surface. Equipped with an 80L large capacity water tank, it cuts down water refill trips and greatly increases daily cleaning area per drone. The integrated, compact design ensures easy transportation and storage, ideal for all types of PV stations and industrial sites. Suzhou Tiandihaoping Intelligent Technology is a professional provider of drone-based intelligent cleaning solutions. We specialize in high-altitude operation equipment, with a mature product lineup covering building facade cleaning, photovoltaic cleaning, and industrial inspection. Fully compatible with DJI M400, FC100, T-Series and more. All systems undergo rigorous testing. We offer custom development, worldwide delivery, and reliable after-sales support for clients globally. Upgrade your cleaning business with safer, faster and smarter drone solutions. Contact us today for a free quotation and custom solution.